How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King. I have not talked about AMC in quite some time, so I want to give an update. And what are we looking at? And right now, the chart just looks, in a massive consolidation. It's just up here. We'll draw some lines here. This is going to be our resistance here as we went up, and then we went here, tried to retest, and we went back down. And then we have nice clear support down here. So we're in just this little area where not really much going on. And we're going to keep bouncing up here, down here, bounce here. Are we going to get down here? Let's see. So with this system, for all the guys that watch my videos, this is the band strategy. This is where we catch trend reversals. I never look to buy when a price is going up a lot. I look for when price is depressing, and then I look to short when price is overextended, just like right here on AMC. So when price goes above or near the ATR 4, this could be a very dangerous area because we know price will revert back, and you just got to be very careful. As you can see, it hit way up in here, and then it plummeted down to the EMA 5, the EMA 10, and then the EMA 20. So we know price has to go back there. It just has to happen. Do we know the time frame? No. Only the algos know when they're going to revert things to the mean. We know EMA 5, anything that don't touch it in 5 daily candles is really long. And so we have a formula of why we try to get into that range. So price goes swiftly back down and touches your EMA 5 to a T on literally 1 daily candle or 2 daily candles away from it, and then it goes. So what are we looking at? Is the AMC bullish? Is it bearish? I'm going to give you guys honest analysis, honest review, no pumping, just straight stick to a system that works and only find the best probability setups. AMC is really not my bread and butter type of trades. It's right here it's right on the EMA 10. Could it do a trampoline effect? I did see we did it right here already. We hit the EMA 10 and we bounced. I only like playing that about one time, the EMA 10 trampoline, because I know there's a lot of the times we will go straight back here and hit the EMA 20 and go straight back down. And you could, be back holding for a little bit or be emotional. And worst case scenario, it might keep going back down. With all the roaring kitty, these things are going to move together with GameStop, they just move in like a clan. So my prediction, obviously, I would love to see this up at the ATR 4 here. I think it has a lot of room. It can do that. And yeah, you just got to be careful. I like to take the trades when it's like this over here, at least like this. I did not take this trade because it really was not as much EMA 5 bounce to it for me to like it. Obviously, we went way higher, so that's always a possibility. But if you start buying up in this black zone here above the EMAs where it's greatly above, then yes, it could get a little scary because, like we said, price has to bounce, go to the EMA 5. So your best, entry, if you had to get in, is at the EMA 5 and 10 here. And then this is where you got this massive bounce. If you played it right, yes, take your 10%, take your 20%, whatever you have, but have an exit plan because as we know, you could lose all the gains and even when you started. So that's why everyone says, have an exit plan, take your profits. Because once things goes up, they usually go back to the reversion of the mean, and it can be very scary. Nobody likes seeing profits go red. So right here we have a clear trend line. We're definitely getting higher highs and higher lows. We can see right in here, we get a low here, we bounce here, we get a low here, we bounce up here, and we're hitting this trend line here. We kind of made the lows the same, it's fine, and then we kind of just staying up in here and we're waiting for the next bounce. It could be a patient type play. Just play it out. I do think we are going to, really just start navigating here. It might hit the EMA 20 here, might go a little under, but as you can see, we're very respected to the EMA 20. We know, this is a very nice area where price will, likes to be on the uptrend. When price hits this and stays above this, then you are considered on the uptrend. And as you can see, the EMA 20 has been respected repeatedly. It has not went none of the exponential moving averages have crossed it. It's been at the bottom. acting as solid support. We go below it, try to scare people, go back under. We go try to below it, try to scare people, back under. Remember, wicks do damage. When you see wicks, they do damage. They scare people, and then they start going up, and people are happy again. This scared a lot of people. So yes, I looking at the chart, it is bullish. Is it my type of setup? Not exactly. If I take the trade, it's going to be like something like this or something like this. Those are the entry points I had to get if I was going to get in. So this is my analysis on AMC. Like I say, guys, the bread and butter type of plays where you're going to make the most money on specialty companies well known and I really like is when you have time distance of the EMA 5 and we're close to the bottom band here. And as you can see, what a beautiful return rate in here. Massive return for a nice move up back to the EMA 5, 10, and 20 here. So yeah, I really like this. This was a very nice move up. And yeah, you really are, you just got to be patient, you know, trust the system, backtest as many times. And if you guys want this system for yourself, join the premium Discord. There's a community that finds trades, that helps other members out, that knows the system. And if you want to join, you click the link down below in the YouTube comments below. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And it'll take you to this free chat landing page. What you want to do is hit how to subscribe, read all this. It's such good knowledge, guys. It's super easy. Also, avoid scammers. People will try to message you or DM you in my name or impersonate me with my logo. So remember, I never DM first or message you first. The easiest way to subscribe to get this system, the education, the knowledge, the alerts, everything for a low cost of $6 forever. You're grandfathered in. And I'm telling you, you guys are going to love this system. You know exactly why you would never buy AMC right up in these areas. You know why you would never buy AMC at the upper band, as that is extremely red flags. I try to keep it very simple. I think anyone can do this strategy because I think trading should be simple. The hardest part in trading is psychology. It's handling your emotions. You're battling yourself, and you always say what ifs and this and that. And yes, there's so much that goes into trading. There's, a lot of people can have the perfect system and still lose because they had not mastered their psychology. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love to see you guys in the premium Discord. Like I said, hit premium chat here. It's only $6. And if you subscribe on your computer, it'll lock you in for that. If you do it on your phone, it's like $1 or $2 or more because of the iOS fee. Like I said, you're going to get my alerts, RTK swing trades, alerted to your phone, education videos, and then RTK Journal, where you can see my actual trades with my averages and all that wins or losses. Yeah, this is AMC. It looks boring for now, but I like the steady uptrend. Hopefully we get a nice little spiker here on like one of these candles here, hype everyone up and really get pumping, right? So that's it for that, guys. Hope to see you guys in the premium Discord. If you guys like the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel about it. I read all your comments, and I appreciate your likes and it helps the algorithm. And yeah, I'm bullish on it. We'll see from here, but you guys already know how I like to get my entries. I'll see you in the Discord. Peace out. Let's make some money.